This is Leo Sanchez, and this is a day in the life as an RO intern at 24th and Rio. I start off my day at 6 a.m. and head down to the alley where we have our trunks pumping concrete all the way to the top of our building. I make my way to the buckhoys, go up 19 floors, climb 5 more floors, and finally make it to the deck. This project is unique in my opinion because it's so compact. It takes around 4 to 5 hours to pour the whole floor and takes a week of preparation to pour another floor. Our core climber, the thing that looks like a yellow cage, is what makes this possible. It's a system that self-climbs with hydraulic jacks which provides a stable platform to work on. On top of the core climber is where you can see the floor we're pouring, the sunrise, and a beautiful view of UT campus. Once it hits 7:30 though, I make my way down to our job site mansion and go into our subcontractor meeting. After the meeting, I convince Sean, our project engineer, to go climb the crane with me for a quick light workout. Our crane is 360 feet up in the air, and I was out of breath when I got to the top. This was my first time ever being on a crane, so this experience was breathtaking. You can see the whole project from up here and the whole Austin skyline, which never gets old. After lunch, I go inside the building, which is literally a maze. I mean, just look at it. Everything just looks the same. I've gotten lost so many times. I go to level 8 to close out some observations like this one, checking if the issue was resolved, and if it was, take a pic and go on to the next one. After that, I go down to level 6, take some in-wall rough-in photos to upload them to the drawings. I go back up to the 24th floor and look at the finished product, and end our day as an RO intern.